Assalamu alaikum, this is Muhammad Khair, math teacher at KKI Schools. Our lesson today is solving systems using elimination, and our objective is to solve systems by adding or subtracting, to eliminate a variable, to adding or subtracting. Teacher, why you are crossing subtracting? Because I will not use subtracting. I only use adding. Can we use only adding, teacher? Yes. If you follow me and follow my strategy, your life will be easier, believe me. Okay? Okay. Previously in 6-2, we solving the systems by using substitution. Yes, and here we have to use elimination. And elimination means remove. Okay, remove. Okay, remove what? We have two variables in the system. We have to remove one. Okay, why? To make the equation, okay, could be solved or can be solved. Okay, okay, let me show you something. Okay, teacher, how we can use adding or subtracting to solve a system, to eliminate one variable. Okay, suppose we have, no, don't suppose, we have this system, okay, and this equation number one, I name the first equation by number one, and this is the equation number two. Every time in each system we have two equations in your grade, by the way. So the first one, equation number one, and the second one is equation number two. Now I will add equation number one, okay, plus equation number two. How, teacher? That's mean I will add the x's together and the y's together, and the numbers also together, okay, in the same order. Let us do it. Okay, I will minimize the page like this, and two, remember we add, okay, we add 2 plus 1 1 2x, sorry, plus 1x equal 3x. Yes, we know, teacher. Okay, this equals 3x. Negative 1, here, I'm here now. Negative 1 plus 1 is 0. Okay, so negative y plus y equals 0. 0y, okay, 0y, no need to write it. Continue, equal 1 plus 2, here, I'm here. 1 plus 2 equal 3. Bravo. So I get 3x equal 3 when I add equation number 1 plus equation number 2, which is great. Now divide by 3. Divide by 3. So x alone and happy now. X equal 1. Okay, my boys? Okay, teacher. That's mean I have to come back to the equation number 1 or 2 to find out what is the value of y, because I'm done of what? Of x. I'm done from x. I said I'm done from x because x equal 1. I find it. So move to equation number 1 or 2 to find out the value of y. Choose one. You have to choose one. What I mean, my dear student, you have to choose one equation, maybe equation number 2 or 1, to plug in x equal 1. I will choose number 2. Okay, let me take it. I will choose number 2. Here I will choose this. Okay, to plug in what? X equal 1 inside it, my dear student, to find out the value of y. So rewrite it exactly, but instead of x, you replace what? Yes, you replace 1 instead of x. Okay, place the x by 1. Okay, now I have this. Let me rewrite this. Okay, by the way, because we done here. Okay, teacher, how I can solve this, my dear student? 1 plus y equal to, I have to make the y alone, teacher. Yes, by throw this to the other side and change the sign as usual. Okay, it will be y equal 2 minus 1 equal 1. So the solution for the system when x equal when xy equal 1 and 1, we're done. Okay, so my dear students, what I did here, I add equation number 1 and equation number 2 to what? Yes, great. To eliminate one variable y, to find out the other variable, and then find the second variable. So let us take this one, my dear student. Let us do this one. 3x minus 2y equal 0. I will do it here. So 3x minus 2y equals 0. This is the first equation. This is number 1. And equation number 2, it is 4x plus 2y equal 14. And name it by equation number 2. As usual, if I add equation number 1 and equation number 2, something will eliminate it. How you know, teacher? Every time I add equation number and equation number 1 and equation number 2, one variable will be eliminated. Actually, it has a condition. The condition is, see here, I make sure before I add one variable, maybe x or y, have the same number with different sign. If I have this condition, directly I add. If not, you have to do something more. I will tell you later. Okay, my boy? Okay, and because I have the y's here have the same coefficient, which is 2, and different sign, directly I add. Okay, my dear student? So this is the condition to add? Yes, this is the condition to add equation number 1 plus equation number 2. And I learned you how to add them. The x's together and the y's together and the numbers together. Okay, let's go. 3x plus 4x equal, yes, 7x. Bravo. Now this directly, you must be happy if you see this, because you will throw it in the garbage or in the second room or eliminate it. What you do, but the most important thing, eliminated. It is eliminated. Now 0 plus 14, yes, my boy, it is 14. Great. Now how we make the x alone? Bravo. Divided by 7, divided by 7, this give me, bravo, 2, and sure this will be eliminated. So x equal 2. Okay, Now I will choose one of them. Okay, actually, let me. Okay, now I'm done from this. Everything. I'm come back to the original equation, my dear student, which is here. Okay, and I bring with me x equal 2. I bring with me x equal 2 and choose equation number 1 or equation number 2. Choose one. Anyone is work. The easy one for you, you can choose it. So let us choose number 1. Okay, I will choose number 1, my dear student, here. I will rewrite it, but replace the x by the 2. Okay, let us do it together. 3 multiply, yes, x, let me write it again, negative 2y equals 0. As I said, replace this by 2. 3 multiply 2, my dear students, yes, it is 6. Bravo. Now, how I can make the 6 or the y alone? Bravo. Throw the 6 to the other side and change its sign. It will be great. It will be negative. Okay? It will be negative. So, negative 2y equal negative 6. Then I will divide by negative 2, divide by negative 2. This will be eliminated, except the y, sure, alone and happy, and the negative will be the negative only, my boys. Okay, 6 over 2 equal, yes, equal 3. So y equal 3. So the system is when x equal 2 and y equal 3, okay, the system will be true or correct. Okay, my dear student. Okay, are you happy? Okay, teacher, this is the second time you add directly without do anything. When we can, when we need more work to add, okay, or when uh, we cannot add directly. Okay, see here, check this equation. The y's here, it has the same number but with different sign, so you can add directly. Okay, let's come here, come with me for a moment here. Check the y, the x here is different, yes, and the y here are different, so you cannot add directly, you have to do something. I will tell you. Come here with me. The x here 2 and the x here 3 and here negative 2 and 1, so both of them are different. I cannot add directly as I did before. Here also different, they are different, so we cannot add directly. Okay, here different and different, different coefficient, different numbers. Okay, so I cannot add directly. Here 3 in the first equation and 2 in the second equation, so I cannot add. Here they are different also, so a lot of equations they are different, so you need to learn something more to solve like this equation. Yes, my dear student. Okay, agree with me. So teacher, now you will learn us what we do if we don't have like this equation, for example. Okay, the y, one of the variable have the same number with different, sign to add directly. So what we need to do, teacher, I will tell you now with the question number. The second case here, actually, yes, let us take number 15. I will take number 15. let me write it for you. Okay, my dear student, and make sure I'm ensure to you will be happy and after the video. Okay, my dear student, let's go. So 2x plus 3y equal 9, and the second equation is x plus 5y equal 8. First step, we name this equation number 1 and this is equation number 2, and let us start. The teacher said before we have to add the two equation number 1 and 2 to eliminate one variable. But to eliminate one variable, I have to make sure that one of the variables have the same coefficient and different sign. But look here, the x has 2 here and 1 here, so they are different. It will not eliminate it. And the y here has 5 in the second one and 3 in the first equation, so I cannot add directly in this case. So what do you have to do, teacher? I have to make one equation. Okay, I have to make something for one equation to unify the coefficient for x or y. So check here, I have 2 here, okay, and 1 here. Can I make the 1 the small number like the big number? Yes. By what? By multiplication, don't add. Okay, by multiply 1, actually teacher, by multiply 1, multiply 2. So multiply the whole equation number 2, the whole terms in equation number 2 by 2. Okay, so I have to multiply 2 by 1x, yes, and 2 by 5y, yes, and 2 by 8, yes. Don't miss any term, so you will be in a problem or in trouble. So if I multiply 2 by the first term, I will get 2x plus, I'm finished from this, I move here now. Yes, it gives me 10y. And step by step, and don't rush, my boy. And now 2 by 8, which is 16. Now I have the third equation here. Okay, and regarding to this, I don't need it. Now, now, the teacher said I have to have the same coefficient, but with different. With different, I have two opposite one sign for them. How, teacher? It is up to you. So I will opposite this. But because of that, I opposite all the terms sign. See, I opposite all the terms sign. Now you see, I have 2 here and negative 2 here. The same number with different sign. So the 2x with the negative 2x, when I add, they will eliminate it. So I will remove this away. I don't need them at all. Okay, okay, now I will add this gently. Yes, 3 and negative 10, sorry, equal negative 7y. Correct me if I do any mistake. Equal, I have 9, they want 16, that means it is negative 7. Okay, so I will erase everything here and solve the y. So y equal, change the color, So if I divide by -7, divide by -7, this eliminated, and the negative gone, 7 over 7 equal 1. So y equal 1. So I will take y equal 1 to the original system here, 15, okay, and choose equation number 1 or equation number 2. It is up to you. Okay, equation number 2, it is good for me. Okay, I will rewrite it here. X plus 5y. Yes, it is x plus 5 y equal 8. I replace the y by 1, so I remove it and multiply by 1. This give me 5. Yes, now x plus 5 equal 8. I remove this to the other side, yes, to make the x alone and happy. 8 minus 5 equal 3. X equal 3. Okay, so the system solution is 3 and 1. Okay, my dear students, so this is the first part, okay, for 6-3. Okay, as we learned, sometimes we add directly, and sometimes we need to multiply one equation by a number to unify the coefficient. And in the next part I will let you know how to unify a variable by multiply the two equations by different numbers. Okay, I will not be uh, sorry, I will be with you inshallah in the next video in 6-3, the last one, question number 18 and 19. Okay, inshallah. See you in the next video. Goodbye.